Welcome to Sounds of Azania 2023 Musical Festival. I am your host, Pharaoh underscore season, and we are in Maboneng. Putumtali,
Yes.
top of, I almost said morning, top of the afternoon.
Yeah, it's okay.
How are you?
I'm fantastic yourself.
So, for the people that do not know who you are, could you just please let them know who you are and what it is that you do?
All right. Greeting everyone. I am one of Sounds of Azania. My name is Lethu Makhathini, aka Letulicious So Delicious. I have a show that I'm doing every Mondays from 1 to 3, which is the best of everything. I'm part of the management. I'm doing PR communications for Sounds of Azania. I do quite various things, but in essence, this is initially who I am.
PR. Okay. Now tell me, how important is, it for companies such as yourself, Sounds of Azania, hosting such musical festivals? How important is it?
All right. I'm going to divulge on this. I hope I'm not going to be in trouble. We requested funding from arts and culture. They funded everyone. They cut it out. So we want our artists, because we understand that upcoming artists, so-called, but I don't believe in that concept. Artists in particular, they don't get an airplay on radio. They even don't get royalties because they are deprived or by a blocker when it comes to such. You need to do certain things for you to acquire certain recognition. So as Sounds of Azania, our mission is to make sure that our artists are able to put food on the table. Because food rough out there.
Wow.
It's very rough.
Wow. That is a beautiful caution. It really is. Now tell me, how has being part of Sounds of Azania helped you career-wise?
All right. When I first joined Sounds of Azania, I was clueless.
Okay.
About radio.
Thank you for the honesty.
I'm very honest with you. So I would say we have an incubator here at Sounds of Azania.
Okay.
Because when we hire, we don't take everyone But what we do, we see a potential, and then we want your profile, we go through it, and then we just take you through, and we teach you whatever things that you learn from here. You just go out if you want to leave us and get some greener pastures and so on. But we are the incubator. We are here to assist young black artists and young black people.
Oh wow, lovely. That is powerful.
Yes.
Manje ngitsheleke, for someone like me who says, I want to not donate, but I want to give to this worthy cause. How can they do that?
All right, that's brilliant. What you can do, visit our website for all the details. You'll find the numbers. You'll find the what you call the email addresses.
Yes.
So we can communicate with us, and then we'll check it from there. Because currently we really need funds, because whatever projects we have, if I can take you through, our profile is humongous.
Yeah.
So we need people who are willing to partner with us financially and assist moving forward to take our mission forward to South of Azania. Wow.
Well, guys, you have heard it from the man himself. Please, whoever is listening out there, if you see potential, do not hesitate. Slide into their DMs, hit them up on their emails. It's Sounds of Azania. Sir, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for your time.
Pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
And we are out. And we are keeping it rolling, as Mr. Dekker would like to say. I am here with another prestigious guest. Nomzana unjani baba?
Ngiyaphila unjani bhuti wami, ngiyaphila ngena wethu.
Awu siyaphila nathi mkhulu, siyabonga. For laba bangakwazi mkhulu, ngicela nje ukuzazise ukuthi ubani and wenzani.
mina futhi mangena ngapha nje wongeza umculo wesintu ke ngithi mina ihlomile izulu emnyama mafa thuthela ulwandle ehle enyuka amagagasi ahlaza amadlela abafana bakamolo hashtag bangempela sibomva ithebe komolo namanje ekhitha bangani sanibonani bathandi be music noma bathandi be Sound of Azania libengela uXolani wakamkhize aka isixubho samantombazane another aka abafana bakamolo bangempela owayesebenza nobaba uBhengu Muzuluthuli ngenza umculo kaMaskandi kodwa lo sentweni
hawo osentweni
yes
ndaba zithi manje ungitshele baba how has being a part of the festival helped you career wise
awenge nje bethu mina ngizokhuluma ngolibeka ngolamageba ngoba ngibuya le KZN ngithi nje jabule kakhulu ukuthi ngifike la kule events eSound of Azania ihle kakhulu uyabona nawo ama guest siyabona nabahlonishwa bonke abakhona baphumile and sijabule kakhulu sibone nani nikhona abahlonishwa bethu ngoba ngaphandle kwenu phela thina silutho singamaciko inini nisibeke balazweni njengoba kumanje nje ngiceda kuphuma stage ngiyabona ngijulukile shothi siyashisa istage si-hot stage akhona abamanye amaciko abayabaculi ngama-gender ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo ngithi nje pick up ayiphakame iSound of Azania niphakale nani bahlonishwa bonke nemedia yonke nabashuthi abafowethu
awu madoda hayi njengoba benginitshela ukuthi ngiphethe ubaba ke namhlanje la baba ngicela ungitshele ke how important is culture ibaluleke kangakanani emntwini
i-culture wena uthi omkhulu mfethu ngayibeka ukuthi into number 1 empilweni yomuntu ngoba kumele uzazi ukuthi ubani uphumaphi ngoba mfethu usibona nje sisila esikhona nathi esikhulu sibangaka nje salandela imiyalo yabazali ngoba kumhloniphe uyihlo nonyoko ukuze insuku zakho zande ezweni isho njalo iBhayibheli ichaza ukuthi ubaba wakho nokhokho bakho abangasekho amadlozi sesibizisa amadlozi ama-assistants ama-assistants ngolimi lolu oluka George but simele ukuthi siwenzele imisebenzi sihloniphe silandele labo ababehamba khona ngeke sifane nabo vele thina sesikhulele esikhathini samanje se-youth ama-20th century nawe uyabona nje ama-2000 and nami uyangibona ngiyangena ama-ching-ching siyaching-chinga kanjalo but sibonga nje ukuthi kumele singalahli isiko lethu ukuthi umZulu umXhosa uMpedi umTswana yonke nje ama-national akhona la kumele ukuthi uzazi ukuthi uphuma kuphi ukuze uzoya phambili singathathi ngabangani besilahlise okungokwethu gcine sesibamba lokho kwasentshonalanga
njalo baba thank you very much for isikhathi sakho ngibonga kakhulu ngolwazi osibekele ngalo nje ngokuzazi nje njengomuntu and all the best career yakho baba
ngiyabonga kakhulu nami ukuthi ngibe khona la ekhaya ngisho nje ngakubeka phambili ukuthi ngikhiphile i-EP kaSixubho samantombazane igcwele kuma global digital platform esihloko sithi ulukhuni ngicela bangisupporte nihambe no download abafethu inengoma ezu4 ezimnandi ehlabahlosile enye yazo kade ithi mimi eyikhuluma ngoyama yethu thina sibuya eKwaZulu ubaba isilo samabandla uMisuzulu ingoma ekhona ithi kulukhuni eyiyona iphethe album enye ke ne gospel kanti Jesu bese sivala ngalethi bahlohle sabo lethi bahlohle sabo ke ngeke ngize ngicommente kangaka ngoba ikhuluma ngabo vele abasiphethe kodwa asibabeki kahle sibabeka kahle ngoba siyabathanda abaholi bethu and sizobavotela futhi sithi phambili ngobuholi bethu obeqiso phambili phinde singakhohlwa futhi ukuthi amabhokobhoko ayaperforma sifuna ibuye nayo le award noma le ndondo namhlanje ebusuku sizobe siwabhekile angijwayele umdlalo werap kodwa ngiyawuthanda kakhulu South Africa ukuthi nabo bawine bayibuse ekhaya indondo ngoba basikhombisile ubuqhawe babo ngithi nje kuma social media ngikhona isixubho samantombazane TikTok isixubho samantombazane Xolani Mkhize ku Instagram Xolani Mkhize _ abafana bamolo Mkhize ngikhona yonke indawo yafethu nadownload umusic wethu ngibonga i-team yami engisebenza nayo ngoba ngisebenza ne-girls amantombazane ngokuhlukahlukana kwakho khona umTswana khona umZulu khona umSuthu khona umfowethu lapha ngithi bonke chill up uGabisile chill up ukamo chill up uMaZulu manager yami chill up uDudla chill up ne-management yonke ekhona ngithi ngiyanithanda kakhulu inkosi inibusise udle kahle uKhisimusi njabule nizibheke ubumnandi abupheli simbombe kahle sihambe kakhulu drive kahle don't drink and drive wash
hayi izwele from ubaba and that is a wrap